Welcome to Absolute Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make one of the most sought after drinks on earth. We're gonna do the Negroni. 3 alcohols, very intense, very complex alcohols, very high on the juniper stage. Sublime citrus flavors coming through that work beautifully with the bitters and the vermouth. If you enjoy our content, please give us a like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe at the bottom, get the notifications in case you don't want to miss any of our fantastic videos. The Negroni is one of those drinks where everyone gets a really good one on a night out, but for some reason no one can make a good one at home. The drinks became very popular around the 1919. No, that's not true. The drink was first invented around 1919 in Florence, Italy. Legend has it, it was invented by basically a count who wanted to strengthen his Americano by simply switching the soda to gin. What an absolute genius that guy is. So let's get into it. It's very simple. We're doing a stir drink. And they give me a big block of ice to chop, so something's definitely gonna go wrong. So the Negroni is a drink served on the rocks. It's a very elegant drink, so find some super bougie little rocks glasses like this. It's gonna make your drink look so much better. And as we know, we eat and drink with our eyes. The prettier things are, the nicer they taste. There's no real reason to do this cheapest ingredients first, as I usually say right now, because we're doing equal measurements, all of pure alcohol. So to make this drink, you're gonna need a mixing vessel. You need like a stirring glass like this. This is a professional one. You don't need to have a professional one. You just need something that you can stir things in. A Negroni isn't a Negroni without some good gin. We're gonna use some Beefeater right here, 25 ml, going straight in. Next up, we wanna take some Italian bitters. This is an Italian orange bitters. I'm not gonna mention no names. Same amount again, we want equal parts. So that's 25 ml of each. Last but not least, red Sweet Vermouth. Again, 25 ml. Pretty simple, no messing around. The drink's basically done. It was that easy. All we need to do now is give it a little bit of dilution and chill it a little bit. And how do you do that? Stir in a drink. They gave me these, and they gave me this, and they gave me this, and they gave me that. Let's make a mess. We're gonna use this ice in the drink, but we also wanna use the water in this ice to dilute it. So what I'm doing now with this big block, I'm just scoring through the ice here. This just means I've got a point where I can really start to put some pressure onto it and cut nicely. So when I start to chip away, nice, it's gonna break away at that point. This means I can have some ice to stir with. I'm just gonna sit and let the ice chill for a second, because I'm gonna break off some more ice that's actually gonna go in the drink. The reason why I'm quite happy with letting this chill is because this is very, very good, strong ice, and it's a big block. That means it's gonna dilute very, very slowly. I don't really have to worry too much about this over diluting right now. I'm just gonna get into it and start breaking this ice down. Nice. And we wanna have a nice big block, like so. It looks a bit rough, it looks a bit rugged, but we like that. It's that iceberg effect. Next up, we've got this beautifully chilling. So we're gonna give this a nice stir. And remember, keep your eye on the temperature. Don't worry too much about the dilution, because we're gonna allow it to sit in a glass filled with ice, which means you don't wanna make sure that this is over diluted, because it's gonna dilute a little bit in the glass. That means by the time you get to the end of the drink, it's not gonna be too watery. So only dilute to chill. That's when you're pouring over ice, by the way. If you're doing it in a martini glass, make sure the dilution's perfect. But now, we just wanna chill. So next up, we're gonna take our drink, we're gonna take our strainer, and then we're gonna pour over. What better than the citrus zest? Orange is perfect for this. I'm just gonna slice off some orange like so. And then what we wanna do is just get that good zest of oil all over. Throw that in like that. You can rub those oils all the way around. And there you have it, guys. A beautiful, delicious, original Negroni. What about if you don't like gin? If you don't like gin, don't worry. We've got another recipe for you. And I'm gonna pull out this bad boy. Is that a good angle? Absolut Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a great flavor. It works with orange, which is one of the main fruit flavors within the Negroni. And it's beautifully, beautifully, beautifully aromatic. I'm not gonna say that it is a substitute for gin because that would be criminal, but it does suit very well within gin cocktails. So let's begin. We're gonna take our beautiful mixing glass again and go straight in. So that is 50 ml, because we're making 2 drinks of Italian bitter liqueur. Next up, we've got the Sweet Vermouth, and again, 25 ml per drink. So we're gonna put 50 ml straight in. Also, don't forget, always keep your vermouth in the fridge, otherwise it will go off in a few weeks at some point. Next up, we've got the Absolut Grapefruit. Perfect substitution for... No, it's not a perfect substitution for gin. Absolut Grapefruit works perfectly in a Negroni also. We want 25 ml per drink. Going straight in. It's ready to stir. We're gonna throw our ice in as per usual. Boom, boom. That was not a very good snap. I like broke that bit. Anyway, already like just a shot to the face of grapefruit flavor. Really grapefruit zest, and those oils are coming up. Smells delicious. Okay, I'm gonna get some ice ready for my glasses now. So we've give that a little stir now. Let's get some glassware. Always have a nice little rocks. These are nice and fancy. I'm a little bougie person. We've got some big chunks of ice. Throw them in, and then we're gonna just pour over. God damn it. Sometimes this may happen. Let me just do that. Don't tell your guests. Perfect. Next up, we want a zest, but I've not gone for an orange this time. I've gone for a nice pink grapefruit, guys. We want nice big zests of the skin. I'm gonna pull that right off. This is also gonna add to the aromas of natural grapefruit zest that's coming naturally off the Absolut vodka. And again, I'm gonna get those oils right in, stick it in, boom. And there you have it, guys. Absolut Grapefruit Negroni. It's another banger. Let's have a taste. Winner. I mean, there's not really a lot you can say that's bad about the Negroni. You've got a lot of complexity between the 3, but yet they become together in harmony. Absolut Grapefruit is a sublime pink grapefruit flavor. Sublime citrus flavors coming through that work beautifully with the bitters and the... Said no. This is a twist for the winners. This is a twist for the kings. Not gonna lie, I prefer the grapefruit one, but that's just me. Just watch Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and you'll get all your drinks right here all the time. Don't forget, guys, if you're enjoying all these recipes, stick a like and a subscribe. We want you to do both. We need all the subscribers we can get, and all those likes really help out the channel.